Hey, today we're gonna be looking at the HP Envy X360. Keep up, it's gonna be interesting. I'll be fast forwarding through the video if you want to check the unboxing of the laptop. If you're also interested in the specs of the laptop, you can check it down in the description or pause the video. It's a very convenient laptop if you are a student or if you're looking for something that goes as an all-rounder. Meaning, if you want a laptop that has a good design, quality, and it can handle stuff like video editing, I think it's working very fine for me till now. Just to quickly summarize, we're looking at the 8th generation Intel i5, 8GB upgradable RAM, 1TB of storage, and 128 SSD. We're also looking at the crown of this video, the MX150 Nvidia graphics card. So what's with this laptop? Is it really good? Actually, from my opinion, I think it is a very strong laptop when I compared it to most of the laptops on the market. And if you have the same budget, you will be looking at kind of the same laptops. For example, the MacBook, you'll be paying way more. But the case, if you want a laptop that can give you a reliable performance and also looks very good. And for me, I wanted a laptop that will work as a tablet and I can use the pen, which we will get to in a second. It's a good laptop point. Now let's discuss what is not actually very good. Sometimes having a 3-in-1 laptop, which means a tablet, a laptop, and you can also work as a kind of standing laptop, that it's very flimsy, meaning it's a bit fragile. Another thing is they have a side volume buttons, which I believe is bullshit. You don't need this. You have an option to use a touch screen, you have an option to use the keyboard, and you still put an extra button. I think it should have been a brightness button. The last thing about these kind of laptops is that they get dirty. You use it as a touch screen or for pen input, it will get dirty. So you have to make sure that you get a proper cover, a proper kit to clean your laptop, because otherwise you're gonna destroy it. What I also really like about this laptop, that it has an aluminium body. It's not a fully uni aluminium body like the MacBook, for example, but you can't tell the difference unless they are beside each other. Also, the Bang & Olufsen speakers sound ridiculous. It's very crisp, but as usual, you don't expect a lot of bass from these speakers. At a weight of 2 kilograms, this is a niche. Why am I saying it's a niche? Because it's a 15.6-inch laptop, meaning that 2 kilograms are very good for such a size. The battery life lasts around 7 to 8 hours. The screen colors are beautiful, but you will have a problem with the brightness because this screen is not so bright. It's not dark, but I've seen brighter screens. Still, it's not a turn off for this device. Having the MX150 in the laptop is a big bonus because Nvidia just announced that it's 3 times the speed of the 940MX. In simple words, if you're doing video editing or gaming, it's gonna be way smoother. The jump from the 7th generation to the 8th generation Intel processor will give you also 40% better performance. So to sum up, is this laptop actually worth buying? For the market price now in Europe, it goes for €1,000. I think you won't have another competitor in the same area. And if you have, it won't be of the same strong brand name. For the last part, we're gonna be checking the pen input. In some countries, it's included in the box. In some other places, it's not. So make sure to check if it's included or not. As you can see, the pen is very smooth, it runs very nicely because the processor is very strong and the graphics card is also integrated in the device, so you're gonna be getting a very smooth input. The problem with it is I don't like the pen tip. I'm not sure if you can change it or not, but it's this plasticky feeling tip. If you try the Surface pen, you get this rubbery feeling, that as if it's like a paper. But with this, you're gonna get a glass to plastic contact, so it's not very beautiful. That's all. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments or questions, please write it below. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If we can reach 100 subscribers, I will be continuing to make new videos every day. Thank you so much for watching the Try Treatment. See you guys in the next video.